पहले मैं ऐसे रहता था, रोल दे दो, और ये अब ऐसे हो गया, तो मैं बोलता अभी रुक जा यार, अभी रुक जा। आई रियली मिस हिम, गॉड रेस्ट हिज सोल। एंड आयरॉनिकली, चंदू चैंपियन फर्स्ट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी विद सुशांत।
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर होस्ट साक्षी सिंह वाचिंग अस ऑन bollywoodlive.com। और आज हमारे साथ एक बेहद ही खास गेस्ट है। ही इज नन अदर देन भुवन अरोरा। भुवन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर चंदू चैंपियन। द मूवी इज डूइंग ग्रेट।
थैंक यू सो वेरी मच मैम, थैंक यू सो वेरी मच।
सो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि व्हाट मेड यू सेड यस टू दिस रोल इन चंदू चैंपियन?
Multiple things, multiple things. I've always wanted to work with Kabir sir. I mean, I'm sure every actor in the country wants to work with him. He's a master of his craft. So I was no different from anybody else. I always wanted to work with Kabir sir. And I was fortunate enough when I got a call from him saying that, there's a film that I would like to narrate to you. If you have time and if you'd be willing to work with me. He's very sweet and humble that way. So I went to his office and he narrated me the film. He told me about the story of Sir Murlikant Petkar, which I unfortunately till that time had no idea about. And I pity myself for that today. That he was a hero that we all should have known about. But thankfully, Chandu Champion Archiki and everybody else will know about him now. So I was told the script by Kabir sir, and I got to know about the hardships that he had to see through his life. And I instantly said that, sir, irrespective of what it is, I wanted to work with you always. That's there always. But this is a story I feel that needs to be told, and I would be honored to be a part of it. So there was no two thoughts about it. There were no two thoughts about it that if I would want to be a part of it or not, because I genuinely wanted the story to come out, and I
Okay,
just wanted to contribute to it in whatever capacity possible.
that's wonderful. So any BTS moment with Kartik Aaryan?
Multiple,
मल्टी,
multiple,
कोई एक जो आपको
multiple.
पसंद हो, या जो आपके दिमाग से नहीं जाएगा कभी?
अब हमारे सारे सीन्स टेक्निकली साथ ही थे, तो मतलब हमारा बहुत सफर ही अच्छा रहा बहुत। और हम लोग साथ बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पे काम कर रहे थे, तो हम हर दिन जिम में मिलते थे, ठीक है, और अपनी पीड़ाएं शेयर करते थे।
हम्म।
तो वो पूछते थे आज तेरा क्या दुख रहा है, आज मेरे शोल्डर्स दुख रहे हैं, तो वो कहते थे मेरे लेग्स दुख रहे हैं। ऐसे। और जो हमने वो एक वन शॉट सीक्वेंस शूट किया है कश्मीर के अंदर,
हम्म।
और उसके दौरान भी हम लोग बैठते थे, बात करते थे, और एक दिन हम लोग आपस में बैठे थे और हमने बहुत हार्टफेल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन करी थी, जहाँ पे मैंने उनसे बोला था यार, आई रिलेट टू हिम अलॉट एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम अलॉट बिकॉज ही आल्सो हैड नो बैकिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड ही इज अ सेल्फ मेड मैन.
ट्रू।
Whatever he's achieved today is purely on his merit, and obviously God is there to supervise us all. So we had this really heartfelt conversation, and I asked him, how was it? And I know I have my own journey and I have my own process, but how was it for you? So we shared a very, I don't know, very personal moment between us, and I feel that मैं बहुत अच्छे तौर पे I could relate to him what he was saying, and it told me things that I can't really say in this interview.
हम्म।
But that was something I would cherish forever, and I'll keep it with me.
ओके। कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर शॉट जो आपको लगा हो कि यार ये तो बहुत ही टफ है, मतलब इसके लिए तो मैक्सिमम टेक्स लेने पड़ रहे हैं एंड इट्स जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल?
आपने अगर फिल्म देखी है, so there's this interval sequence where we have taken that whole shot in one go. So that sequence in itself was a very, very demanding sequence for all of us, because we were rehearsing, and there was so much action, explosion, everything that was happening in the shot, that everything needed to be so meticulous कि अगर एक गलती हुई तो वो पूरा शॉट खराब हो जाता था. And then you had to go through the whole process again, and then you have to reset, because every time you would move ahead, there is makeup, there is dust, there is जो explosion के aftermath होता है वो होता था, and there are so many factors that are involved. So that I feel was the most demanding and challenging bit of the film. And to reach that point where we were shooting in itself was a big challenge, because then it was like a very steep slope जिसके ऊपर हमें चढ़ के जाना पड़ता था. And every morning, because we obviously had to shoot in light, and Sudeep sir, our DOP, is very particular about light. So if you miss that light by even a minute, he will say that no, we'll have to do it again tomorrow. So he was so particular about his lighting and camera, and I'm sure it shows in the film that the camera work is fabulous. It's fabulous to another level. So that was something that was very challenging, because it was like a uphill walk for half an hour, 40 minutes. So every morning we would wake up at 4 o'clock. Before that, we would get a workout, because we obviously had this body transformation to go for. तो हम सुबह उठते थे, पहले अपना वर्कआउट करते थे, वो खत्म करके फिर हम ऐसे तकरीबन 30-35 मिनट की चढ़ाई करके हाफते हाफाते वहां पहुंचते थे। फिर हम पे पूरी डस्ट डाली जाती थी, और इट वॉज अ वेरी टेक्निकली डिमांडिंग शॉट, and everybody had to be on their best level possible, because एक गलती and then the whole crew has to suffer because of them, and nobody wanted to be that person जिसकी वजह से ये सब दोबारा करना पड़ा. So everybody
करेक्ट.
was on the edge, everybody was putting their foot forward, best foot forward, and yeah, I think that was one of the most demanding things about the film.
ओके. तो ऑलमोस्ट कितने दिन और कितने टेक्स लगे होंगे उस पर्टिकुलर शॉट को, क्योंकि आई एम श्योर एक दिन में तो नहीं हुआ ये.
नहीं, उसको हमने रिहर्स करा था तकरीबन 4 दिन के लिए,
हम्म.
और फिर वो शॉट लिया गया था, और 4 दिन हम डेली रिहर्सल करते थे बैक टू बैक.
हम्म.
और we would do it over and over and over and over and over till the point हमारी सेकंड नेचर बन गया था. आप अगर अब आंखों पे पट्टी बांध के भी मुझे बोलते कि वो सीन कर दो, तो हम वो कर देते, क्योंकि हमने उसको इतना रिहर्स किया था, इतना रिहर्स किया था, कि फाइनल डे पे उसका गलत होना नामुमकिन हो गया था. एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन कबीर सर टेक्स योर एक्टर हिज एक्टर्स थ्रू. He would make him, and all of us basically, me, Vijay sir and Karthik, and we are running together. The shot, if you've seen, make us rehearse so many times that there was no scope only for a mistake.
ओके, दैट्स वंडरफुल. सो बेसिकली मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि फर्जी के बाद आपकी लाइफ किस तरह से चेंज हुई है?
ऐसे
ओके.
इस तरह से चेंज हुई है मेरी लाइफ.
आई हैव हर्ड इन
पहले
एन.
मैं पहले आपने ये सुना होगा ना, पहले मैं ऐसे रहता था, रोल दे दो, रोल दे दो, और ये अब ऐसे हो गया, तो मैं बोलता अभी रुक जाओ यार, अभी रुक
हाँ,
जाओ.
हाँ. बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड इन एन इंटरव्यू कि आपने कहा था कि फर्जी के बाद अब मेरे पास ऑप्शंस है कि मैं रोल्स खुद चूज कर सकता हूँ कि मुझे कौन सा रोल करना है, कौन सा नहीं करना है.
That's correct.
ओके.
Fuzzy gave me that power to choose,
हम्म.
where people started to trust me, and then it got me out of that space where I had to audition for things and wait for. The ball was never really in my court back in the day, but Fuzzy gave me that liberty, that the ball came in my court, and I had that liberty by God's grace to say yes or no to a project because of whatever reason. There are
हम्म.
multiple factors because of which you say yes or no to a film
हम्म.
or a web series, but then yeah, that happened post Fuzzy.
Okay. So, this might be a tricky question, but who was fun or easy to work with? Shahid Kapoor or Kartik Aaryan, and why?
They were both fun in different ways, and they were both easy in different ways. So Karthik is a very chilled out person in life, and he likes to take everything very easily, and
Hmm.
he doesn't really come across as a person who is like, his effort seems very effortless,
Hmm.
which is a beautiful thing about him. And Shahid Bhai is also very easy to work with, because he's always so encouraging, and every time you would go on set, so he would just do something, and I would think like, oh, I did not think in this direction. So he's learned this job he's been at it for so many years, that he's learned it in a way that has become his second nature. So his ease comes from his experience, and Karthik's ease comes with his being, I feel.
Okay.
He's a easygoing person, and Shahid Bhai is a very experienced actor. So his whole thing is, I know this, bro. Don't worry about it.
Okay. 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 So, of course, you're an versatile actor. आपने बहुत सारे different different roles किए, पर अगर आपको कोई particular genre choose करना हो, तो आप कौन सा choose करेंगे?
I would want to do a superhero film, because India does not have many of them.
Okay, that's okay. So you have started your career with Suddh Deshi Romance, and उसमें सुशांत सिंह राजपूत थे, देन परिणीति थे, वानी कपूर थे. उनकी कोई मेमोरी अगर आपको याद हो, बिकॉज काफी टाइम हो गया है.
मैं हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, मुझे उस जोन में ना लेके जाएं. सुशांत and I were really really close during the shooting of the film, and God rest his soul, यार. God really rest his soul. He was a fabulous guy and a fabulous actor. And the less I talk about him here is the better it is, because it's going to take me in a different space altogether. I really miss him. God rest his soul. And ironically, Chandu Champion first was supposed to be with Sushant, if you
ओ,
know of it. Yeah.
मतलब ये तो पता
This
ही
is
नहीं था.
something.
ओके.
ये मुरलीकांत जी ने खुद बताया. इनफैक्ट अभी कुछ दिन पहले, इफ यू गूगल इट, यू विल फाइंड इट. I also just read it. I remember back in the day we used to talk, एंड ही टोल्ड मी यार एक पैरालंपिक स्विमर की कहानी है जो मैं करने जा रहा हूँ. एंड
हम्म.
आई डिड नॉट नो बैक इन द डे ये वही फिल्म होगी जिसमें इवेंचुअली मैं भी आने वाला हूँ. सो दैट्स अ बिग ट्रिविया which I just read a couple of days back. I think परसों या तरसों मैंने ये ऑनलाइन पढ़ा जहाँ पे मुरलीकांत पेटकर जी ने खुद बताया कि कहानी पहले सुशांत सिंह राजपूत खुद बनाना चाह रहे थे.
Again, we all miss him, of course, without any doubt.
Yeah, man. Terribly miss him. What a loss. Big loss.
Yes. So, you have posted your transformation post on Instagram, जहाँ पे आपने दिखाया that how the whole body thing changed. तो कितना हार्ड वर्क लगा उसके लिए एंड आपने किस तरह से उसको लाइक प्रिपेयर किया है?
जितना हार्ड वर्क लग सकता है किसी का उतना हार्ड वर्क लगा था उसके अंदर. हार्ड वर्क नहीं कहेंगे उसे, कहेंगे हार्डेस्ट वर्क.
हार्डेस्ट
क्योंकि मैं उस टाइम पे तकरीबन 4 और चीजें शूट कर रहा था अपार्ट फ्रॉम चंदू चैंपियन. और मैं हर दिन ऐसा होता था कि या तो फ्लाइट ले रहा होता था या शूटिंग कर रहा होता था. खाली कभी नहीं होता था. और इस दौरान भी मुझे हर दिन ये मैंडेटरी होता था मेरे लिए क्योंकि मुझे मिले थे सिर्फ 3 महीने उस
ओके.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए.
हम्म.
और मेरा ये होता था रिचुअल कि सुबह उठना है, चाहे आप सोए हैं या नहीं सोए हैं, चाहे आप 1 घंटा सोए हैं या 3 घंटा सोए हैं. आपको सुबह उठना है, आपको सुबह एक्सरसाइज करनी है. और उसके बाद आपको 12 घंटे शूटिंग करनी है जिसमें भी आपको फिजिकल सीक्वेंसेस करने हैं बहुत बारी, या फिर आपको फ्लाइट्स लेके पहुंचना है. और फिर आपको शाम को दोबारा एक्सरसाइज करनी है. खाने में आपको केवल उबला खाना मिलेगा. और जीवन अब वही है आपके लिए कुछ महीनों के लिए, तो उसे आप एक्सेप्ट कर लें. And the sooner you accept, the better it is. So it had become so demanding for me, and not just because I was just going through a physical transformation, because I was jumping from one character to another character. And I come from a school where it is, mandatory for an actor to be prepared. So for me to jump from one part to another part and also also working out simultaneously and traveling, it had really taken a toll on me, and it was really hard. And I hope it's paying off well.
Yeah. So, any specific diet you followed for that?
Yeah, so I had a particular trainer and I have a dietitian who were supervising all of it. But yeah, I was on a calorie deficit diet because I had a lot of inches to lose. Not a lot of weight to lose because my weight according to my body type was fine. But then I had a lot of inches to lose. So yeah, I was following a calorie deficit diet. So I was on a 1500 calorie diet, and I couldn't have 1502 calories because everything was monitored.
Okay. So, any specific thing you want to tell to your viewers जो उस समय weight loss करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, या फिर कुछ कोई भी एक ऐसी टिप जो which you feel कि अगर आप इसको daily करोगे तो it will definitely gives you the results?
सबसे पहले तो आपको पोषण कंट्रोल करना जरूरी है. सबसे पहले तो मुझे लगता है कि इसकी जरूरत आपको तब महसूस होनी चाहिए अगर आपको किसी लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ना है. इफ यू हैव अ गोल वेयर यू आर हेडेड टुवर्ड्स,
Hmm.
दैट इज व्हेन यू शुड बी एमिंग फॉर अ बॉडी लाइक दैट. Otherwise, I would also say it's very unhealthy. It's not a healthy thing to do for your body. You should be happy the way you are. There shouldn't be any body shaming. And आप जिस तरीके से हैं उसमें खुश रहिए. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको हेल्थ repercussions है, if you're in a body
Hmm.
weight where you think it's
Hmm.
unhealthy for you,
Hmm.
then what you can do, what is the easiest way to do is buy a weighing scale. There is a food weighing scale
Hmm.
that comes,
Hmm.
which is easily available on any
Hmm.
shop, or online you can also find it. Weigh your food and eat your food according to that. So what you'll do is you'll end up doing a portion control, and that in itself will help you cut down a lot of weight. If you are not a gym person, then go for yoga. If you're not a yoga person, then go for dancing. If you're none of these people, then just go for a walk. Just do something. Make sure that you do one physical activity every day. And I think, yeah, that's these little steps will take you really far ahead.
That's wonderful. So, अभी मैं हम आपके साथ एक क्विक रैपिड फायर राउंड खेलेंगे और आपको उसका काफी क्विकली आंसर करना है. Okay. So, my
जी.
first question is one director you want to work with.
जोया अख्तर.
Okay. Your Bollywood crush.
कबीर खान. ऑफ लेट.
Bollywood crush.
हाँ, कबीर खान बॉलीवुड के तो है.
Okay. Your most challenging role till now.
I always joke about it. I have a man crush on Kabir Khan. No, but if you're
People.
talking about a woman,
Yeah, yeah.
then it probably would be Priyanka Chopra.
Okay. Your most challenging role till now.
All of them are challenging in different ways. Physically, it might be Chandu Champion. And from a character point of view, there's a web show that I've just shot for. It's called Tatkal. It was really difficult for me.
Okay. Your first paycheck.
It was peanuts.
बताना
It was
तो.
$500. 500 रुपए.
Oh, but that was not
Yeah.
for a film, right?
No, it was for an advertisement which was being shot, and I was studying in FTI, and it was being shot, and I was called, and I didn't even know what is the kind of money that actors get paid. So I just went for the shoot without even discussing anything. And by the end of the shoot, one of the ADs came to me and handed me an envelope. It said, "This is a token of appreciation." And I was, oh wow, I got paid. It's my acting job I'm talking about. Before that, I had obviously done,
Yeah.
I used to work in call centers, and I've already been a part of a lot of corporate jobs. बट एक्टिंग से रिलेटेड उन्होंने मुझे एक एनवेलप पकड़ाया और मैंने उसे खोला तो उसमें से 500 रुपए थे. मैंने कहा बस.
Okay. One actor you absolutely love working with.
I don't have him anymore. I would have loved to work with Irfan.
Okay. अगर आप एक्टर ना होते तो आप क्या होते?
Aspiring actor.
Okay. Since चंदू चैंपियन is one of the inspiring movie, तो अगर कोई ऐसी हैबिट या कोई ऐसी चीज जो आप चंदू चैंपियन के साथ आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, इंस्पायर होके.
डिसिप्लिन.
Oh, that's one.
डिसिप्लिन जो उस फिल्म ने मुझे दिया.
Okay. किस चीज के बिना आप घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते?
भगवान का आशीर्वाद लिए.
That's wonderful. Thing you absolutely love working in your free time.
I love playing with my dog.
Oh, that's wonderful. Already a
Already a star. Already a star.
That's
So this
wonderful.
is what I love doing in my free time. Nothing, just holding her and irritating her.
That's wonderful. That's the best free time. Like
It's
bestest.
therapeutic. It's
Yeah.
therapeutic.
Very cute, very cute. Okay. So actress you admire the most in the acting. ये आप साउथ भी बता सकते हो, उसका कोई जॉनरा नहीं है, कोई भी बता सकते हो आप. In acting
Sai
terms.
Pallavi.
Oh, that's wonderful. She is beautiful. Okay.
Thank you for your time and
Thank
thank you for all the love.
थैंक यू ऑल द बेस्ट. आप बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्म्स करो, हम आपको और भी रोल्स में ऐसे देखें, वर्सटाइल एंड यू जस्ट वंडरफुल.